Hello, beings, or not being, in case you do not exist. In which case, hello, not being. I've got the Autistic Barbie doll. I'm autistic. I have autism. So I believe I am an expert on this topic. I didn't have a lot of Barbie dolls growing up, but I did have other types of dolls. We got, on the side, we got a list of different Barbie dolls, I guess. And just from looking at it inside the box, I can see that there's, I can't remember what it's called. Can you see it? I can't remember what it's called. Autistically mute people. Autistically mute? Is that? I don't know the terminology. People who cannot speak. Nonverbal. That's the term. Nonverbal autistic people use them as a way to communicate. She's got headphones on. I use headphones constantly because I cannot stand noise. So like that. And it looks like she's got a fidget toy. I have so many fidget toys. You would not believe it. Let's open her up. It's partially open already. That was easy. Now she's opened. I don't have scissors. Oh, no, I do have scissors. Never mind. False panic. I don't know what that is. I don't want to ruin anything. We're going to do this. And I'm going to hope it doesn't break. Ready? Oh! Cut one. Done. This is anxiety inducing. Why do I have to do this? Don't let your kid cut it themselves. They'll kill themselves or break the doll. I can't say that, can I? They will probably damage the product. I always forget to censor myself. So I just end up saying words. Yep, that makes sense. Wait, there's two? Hold up. There's two wires right here. And I didn't know on the... How am I going to cut this? Please cut. It won't cut. I don't know what to do. I'm just going to end up breaking her. Why are they packaged like this? Come here. Okay, I got it. I got it. Chat, I got it. I'm joking. There's no chat. It's not live. I'm almost done. I feel like this part should just be skipped because I don't have anything interesting to say because I'm just cutting it open. Editor, cut this part out. And by editor, I do just mean my mother. We don't have an editor. Now comes the hard part, but hopefully her hair, maybe it'll just come out. Please, please just pull out. How am I supposed to get her out without cutting her hair off? What's the plan here? I'm gonna cut the back part right here and hope it just comes out. Maybe we can just fast forward it. There wouldn't be anything to look at because it's not on screen, because how on earth am I gonna record this on screen while I'm trying to cut it? I don't know. I should never be in charge of an unboxing video ever again. Also, I keep forgetting that the camera is here and I keep looking here because that's where I am. And so my eyes just go off. Autistic people don't like making eye contact though, so it's not on me. Please let me cut it. It won't, this one won't pull out enough for me to be able to cut it. So I don't know what to do. Lots of prayer. Aha! I got it. It worked. Please just come out now. She has glue in her hair. That's fine. No, that's not glue. I don't know what it is. It's just plastic. Why did they do this? You know what? No one will ever know. Now I have her out. She has this really cute dress. As someone who has autism, I can't wear anything this short because if anything touches my leg, I die. I like that she has flat shoes. I don't know what Barbies tend to wear, but I've never seen an autistic person wear heels. I'm sure they do. I'm sure they do. But these are much more comfortable. And they're super duper cute. These are cute. I would wear these. I would definitely wear these. Let me just slip on. Oh, her fidget toy. I'm not really sure what it's supposed to be. I think if I had to guess, it's probably supposed to be a fidget spinner. And it just, please turn her hand. Yep. And I assume you just hold it. Yeah, it spins. It spins. It's a fidget spinner. It spins. It doesn't spin very well because it's tiny, but it does spin, so it's a fidget spinner. And we got, oh, not easily. 1 second, and let me hope I don't cut off her hair because as you can see, it's attached. So this is gonna go really great. Really great. I'm sure I won't cut off any of her hair. Okay, I did not have to cut it. There is still something that I do have to cut, but I was able to get this off, so let me talk about it before I do that. These are, I mean, they're cute. They've got the Barbie symbol, which makes sense because it's made by Barbie. It's an official doll. I don't have much to say about these. They look comfortable. Not more comfortable than mine. Probably the same amount of comfortable. So as you can see, she's got that on the head. Gotta cut it off. Please don't cut her hair. Please, 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 please. I got it. Ish. Sure. So, I don't know where the... Ah, here it is. I'm gonna get this out now. As you can see, it's got a couple of like things on it. They're not, I mean, they're very blurry words. They are words. You could take time. You could decipher this. I'm not doing that. So you can put this, oh, one of her shoes fell off. This is like a really short dress. Like really, really short. Why is it so short? It's comfortable. I think it'd be comfortable if it was longer, personally. But yeah, you can put this in, well, she can carry it. I can't put it on otherwise, but yeah, she can carry it like this. Yes. She's cute. She's really cute. I like what she looks like. And if she didn't have the autistic you wouldn't be able to tell, because autism is a neurological disorder, which of course means that it's not visible most of the time. It has attributes. So you could always, dinosaur arms. Do you know what dinosaur arms? They're like this. That's how I hold my arm. I'm not even joking. I literally hold my arm like this all the time. So this is how she walks. Cute. I don't really have anything else to say. It's a 12-minute long video, so I think that's long enough. Okay, I recommend this. If you like Barbie dolls, or if you know someone who likes Barbie dolls, you should get them this, even if they're not autistic, because it'll help them learn stuff about autism. And if they see this, maybe they're like, hey, I can research autism. I can find out more about it. And then they learn. And if they are autistic and they like Barbie dolls, then it'll help them to feel seen, because autistic people deserve to be seen just like everyone else. Bye.